Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a hyperbola from its graph, and I'll go through 3 different examples. Now for these types of questions you first need to have a good understanding on how to sketch hyperbola graphs. If you want to learn how to sketch hyperbolas in 4 easy steps, then check out my video series on how to sketch a hyperbola graph by hand, and I'll leave the link for that in the description below. So let's begin. The equation of the hyperbola is given in the form as y is equal to a on x minus b plus c. To work out these 3 constants, we need to get 3 different pieces of information from the graph. The easiest is the equation of the asymptotes. For part A, we can see that the vertical asymptote is going to be the line x is equal to 2. Now there's also a horizontal asymptote, and this is going to be the line y is equal to 0. We know from the general rule of a hyperbola, the constant that is added to the fraction part tells us where the horizontal asymptote is, and this is going to be the line y is equal to c. And so for the horizontal asymptote, this is the line y is equal to c. And looking at the graph, the horizontal asymptote is the line y is equal to 0. And so therefore, this means the value of c must be 0. We also know that to find the vertical asymptote, we let the denominator equal 0 and then solve for x. And so for the vertical asymptote, this is going to be the line x minus b is equal to 0, which means x is equal to b. And looking at the graph, the vertical asymptote is the line x is equal to 2. And so therefore, this means that the value of b must be 2. To find the value of a, what we need to do is find a point on the graph. Given that the y-intercept is at minus 1, we can use the coordinates 0, minus 1. Meaning that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. And so if we sub in this into the rule, we can solve for the value of a. And so when x is equal to 0, y is going to be minus 1. And so minus 1 is going to equal a over 0 minus b. We know that b is 2, and so this is going to be 0 minus 2, which is just minus 2. And then plus c, and we know that c is equal to 0. And now we can solve for the value of a. Multiplying both sides by negative 2, we're going to get the value of a is equal to 2. And now we're just subbing these values into the rule. And so therefore, y is going to equal 2 over x minus 2, giving us the equation of the hyperbola for part A. Part B. Looking at the graph, the vertical asymptote is going to be the line x is equal to 4, and the horizontal asymptote is going to be the line y is equal to 2. And we know that the horizontal asymptote is going to be the line y is equal to c. And so using this information, we know that the horizontal asymptote is the line y is equal to c, and looking at the graph, this is the line y is equal to 2. And so therefore the value of c must equal to 2. For the vertical asymptote, we let x minus b equal 0, and so x is equal to b. The vertical asymptote is the line x is equal to 4, and so therefore the value of b must be 4. To work out the value of a, we need to use a point on the graph. And it's going to be easier to use the coordinates 3, 0. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. And so subbing this into the rule, we're going to get 0 is equal to a on 3 minus b, which is equal to 4, and then plus c, which is equal to 2. And so this is going to be a over 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and then plus 2. And so 0 is equal to minus a plus 2, which means that a must equal to 2. Now that we have the values of a, b, and c, we just sub this into the rule. And so therefore, the rule of the hyperbola for part B is going to be 2 over x minus 4 plus 2. Part C. Looking at the graph, we've got a vertical asymptote at the line x is equal to minus 1, and a horizontal asymptote at the line y is equal to minus 1. We note that the horizontal asymptote is going to have the rule y is equal to c. And we know the horizontal asymptote is equal to minus 1, and so therefore the value of c is going to be minus 1. The vertical asymptote, we know, is going to be the line x is equal to b. Looking at the graph, the vertical asymptote is equal to x minus 1, and so therefore the value of b must be minus 1. And now to find the value of a, we can use the coordinates of the y-intercept, which is going to be 0, 5. And so when x is equal to 0, y is going to be 5. Subbing this into the rule, we're going to get 5 is equal to a over 0 minus b, and this is going to be minus 1. And then plus c, and c is minus 1. Clearing this up, this is going to be 5 is equal to a on 1 minus 1. Solving for a is going to be 6. And so therefore, the rule of this hyperbola graph is going to be y is equal to 6 over x minus 1 and then minus 1, which is equal to 6 over x plus 1 and then minus 1. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to tap on the subscribe button to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll see you guys next time.